Nice tool too. I just haven't officially.
All right, once more, Stu.
Good job. Keep them going. Keep leg.
I can tell that it just by the way you cantered off.
Leg, leg, leg. Don't let them break.
Was that?
Keep going. Just a sec, huh? I just wanted to bring him down to a trot on this end. All right, bring him down to a trot. Good. Now tell him to walk. Good. Give him a big pat. Good boy, Guppy Guppy.